Well, my name's Richard from Silent Peak, and welcome to this ON1 SkySwap AI review. So let's begin our review by opening a photo, and we'll sort of start off with a nice sort of generic landscape shot. So in case the name hasn't given it away, ON1 SkySwap AI is a sky replacement application which we can use to swap one sky for another, and SkySwap AI will also relight the scene to match. So here on the right we have various different categories, each category featuring many skies, and we're going to begin with sunset. So as you can see, we click on it, and ON1 SkySwap AI is very quick, very responsive, and has already changed our sky over and relit the scene to match. And if we sort of click on this arrow here, we can see just how far we have come, how quickly. Now, beyond just simply swapping one sky for another, we do have various different adjustments. Like I say, we have many skies within this particular series of sunsets. You even have the means to add your own skies if you like, but you're not likely to run out too quickly. That looks good. We also can move the sky around a little bit, so we've got the ability to sort of realign it depending on what you want to do. We have the ability to sort of fade it, change the opacity and how it interacts with the original background. We can move it, so if it's not quite interacting with the ground the way we want, we can kind of fade its edge. You can sort of see how it's sort of moving to and from the ground. We can shift the edge, so basically moving it up and down. We can scale the sky. We can adjust the level. We can adjust the white balance. We can make the sky warmer. We can make it cooler. Brightness. Haze. But perhaps the best feature is our blur option. So you can use this as a sort of bokeh simulator for the cases where you've got somebody in your photo, but way better than that is using it as a long exposure simulator. And then we can sort of adjust the angle of the blur. So we just basically find what we like the look of. Maybe that. And again, let's sort of bounce back and look at where our photo used to. So there's our before. And there's our after. Other settings, we can do foreground. So basically adjusting the sort of foreground lighting. We can make the sort of lighting less or more severe. Edges control. Distance, so that's the distance of the lighting, how close the lighting comes towards the camera, or indeed further away. And we also have reflections. Now this isn't a great photo for demonstrating reflections, but perhaps if you look at the water, you can sort of see that the sky's light is being reflected off the reflective surfaces. Again, not a great photo for this, but get the right photo and it actually works pretty well. Now, talking about working pretty well, ON1 SkySwap AI is about as good as any sky replacement application I've used. It's considerably faster and equally reliable, which is to say, how well it works depends very much on the photo you're trying to process. And sometimes it's hard to guess which photos it will do well upon. So let's sort of start with a photo that perhaps you'd think it'd have no trouble at all. This particular image, like previous photo, we've got a very defined line between our sky and our ground. But if we drop in our new sky, the whole lighthouse just sort of gets swallowed up. And even with our various different adjustments, there is no sort of easy way to sort of bring the lighthouse back. You know, we can sort of play with the fade edge, the shift edge. It's not going to work. It's not going to bring it back. And your only option is to apply various different maskings to try and get it back. However, the point with these applications is very much an automated process to make this task as easy to anybody as possible. And the more you mask, the more you manually intervene, the less point of having the application at all. After all, you can do everything in Photoshop if you want to. And if you thought that sort of photo was quite simple, let's pick up a really difficult one. So in this photo, we've got a very sort of broken sort of line between our ground and our sky. Yet it actually aces it. So like I say, it's very difficult to sort of anticipate where ON1 SkySwap AI will succeed and where it doesn't. But when it does succeed, it does a remarkably impressive job. It's by far the fastest sky replacement application that I've used. I really, really adore this long exposure simulator. It comes loaded with different skies and plenty of different categories that we've not had time to look at. And indeed, you can load your own images as well. And the adjustments are pretty good. So when you have a minor correction to deal with, it's actually very easy to do. You don't need to know what you're doing to fix it. You just have to sort of slide things until things sort of line up for you. Anyway, ON1 SkySwap AI is available all by itself as a standalone application, which will work independently of your favorite editor or as a plugin for familiar editors such as Lightroom Classic and Capture One and a few others. Alternatively, you can buy SkySwap AI as part of the ON1 plugin bundle series. That way you get SkySwap AI, you get No Noise AI, Resize AI, effects, HDR, and a few other different plugins. All of those are very good applications in themselves. Best bang for buck though is to buy ON1 Photo Raw, in which case you get an entire photo editing management studio, all of those plugins I just mentioned, and SkySwap AI, and a whole lot more besides. Anyway, that is ON1 SkySwap AI. It costs $29.99 US, so it's a bit of a bargain, and it works awfully well a lot of the time, and sometimes not so well. But it's fun, and also if you want to try it with your own photos, you can. You've got a free 30-day trial. There's a link for that in the description below, so please give it a go. Otherwise, let me know in the comments what you thought of this review. Is there anything you'd like me to review next? Let me know. But otherwise, have a great day. Bye-bye.